A website without images really doesn't look that nice. So in this class, we are going to see how you can add images into our website. To add an image, what I have done is, first thing, I have created a folder here in my lesson number 6 called images, and inside that what I have done is I've added this image called food. So if I open this, you can just check it out how that image looks like. This is the image what I have used, and what we need to do now is we need to display this image into our website. So what we'll do is we'll create an img tag, stands for image, and as soon as I hit tab, I have this src and alt. Src stands for the source. So where is the image located? So like I said in the last class, just hold control and hit on spacebar. You will see that there is a folder called images, and inside that we need to add the food image. So let me just save this. Now if I get back to my browser and if I hit on refresh, you can see that I have that food image. So let's just say something went wrong and we did not find the image what we are looking for. So let me just remove this one extension and let me create an error. So if I get back to my browser and if I hit on refresh, you see there's no error displayed. So we need to give some kind of message to the user that there was something there and now that image is gone. So to do that is the reason why we have the alt attribute. So what the alt attribute does is that it will give an alternative name for the image if the image is missing. For example, here I can name this as food, and if I save this and if I get back to my browser and if I hit on refresh, you can see it shows me food over there. Alt attributes are very famous when it comes for SEO. So let me check this out, and now when I get back my JPG extension and if I go to my browser, if I hit refresh, you can see we have the image back as we wanted. Another way of adding an image to your website would be by using a CDN. For example, let's just say we do not have an image inside our folder, but the image is located somewhere in the internet. For example, I'm going to go to pixabay.com, and from here what we'll do is we'll take some image. For example, okay, I'm going to take this one. So if I need this image, what I will do is I'll simply right click here and I can copy the image address, or I can open this file. If I want a larger file, I can just open this one, right click here, and I can copy the image address. So let me copy this image address. Let's get back to our code. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a HR tag that's a horizontal line. I'm going to say img, and inside this I'll paste this one. So now I'm going to call this as nature. So if I save this and if I get back to my browser and in my document, if I refresh, it's going to take a moment, but we'll get that image over here.